What's going on, guys? We had a customer drop off his 2023 Ford F250 Tremor for a little bit of a makeover. This is a great build because it is no frills, everything that you need to get better ride quality and performance without going too much or too little. So to start, we called upon the guys over at Carli for a new suspension system. On this truck, we installed their Back Country leveling height system with a few of their goodies, including their Torsion sway bar and their high and low mount steering stabilizer. This suspension allowed us to fit a set of 37, 1350, 18 Toyo RT Pros wrapped around a set of Method 305 HDs. This customer also wanted a little lighting upgrade, but not something too over the top. So of course, Baja Designs has got us covered. We installed their SAE Fog Pocket Kit with that nice amber SAE light ran to the factory fog light switch, and the Pro Squadron Series light wired to the auxiliary switch for nice easy use when you get off-road. If you guys need to get your Super Duty hooked up, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.